LSU stars, welcome to today's series where we'll be learning how to insert the bobbin into the bobbin case. Step 1, ensure your needle is at the highest position by turning the hand wheel towards you. Okay? Step 2, remove the hinged sewing table. And then open the hinged door, to reveal your bobbin. Next, you pull the bobbin case tab, this is the bobbin case tab, towards you and remove the bobbin case. Okay? Now, hold the bobbin case with one hand. You're going to hold the bobbin case with one hand, ensuring that this protruding iron is facing you. Next, you pick up your bobbin. Right here is your bobbin, and face your bobbin in a clockwise direction. This is clockwise, having the thread facing upwards. Okay, and then you put in your bobbin into the bobbin case, click it in. Next, you pull the thread through the slits right here. Pull the thread through the slits there and down into this hole. Okay, always ensure you leave at least a 6-inch tail of thread. So I'll just cut off the excess thread and then hold the bobbin case by this tab again and insert back there. You hear the hook sound? Yeah, the click sound means that your bobbin case has been inserted properly into the hook. And then you close it. You can also set back the sewing table. To bring up the thread from the bobbin, simply hold on to this thread and then turn the hand wheel towards you. Keep turning it until it comes up with the thread, and then you pull it up. That's it. Your bobbin thread has been pulled up. So there you have your lower bobbin thread and you have your upper thread, and you're ready to sew. Thank you for watching.